I think one of the things that we are facing over and over and over again, it is almost okay to be absent. It is almost what you're supposed to be, not to be. So the state of one coming to be is almost a state that is not allowed, So can I say this thing? Maybe part of our survival assault is we have learned how to be absent, how to be not be there, and almost we are encouraged to be absent. And can I say the agreement for that, when we decided not to exist, is the calamity. When I'm not here. I know most people will say they are there, but they are just there as a memory, as a thought. Not as a state of actually being. Repeat this. Could it be the calamity that we are living out is we have been somehow conditioned to be absent. And when I'm not there, it's a feeling I can survive. And that state of absence is what has caused the problem. So if I grasp this rightly, I will struggle to come to be, to establish I am. Not using another, not as a reflective reality, for myself I am. And if one can understand, because you are not present, that is why life is not unfolding as it should. That is why one dies unlived. But the moment I say this, immediately you feel like I'm going to be in trouble and I'm going to war, because I'm not allowed to be. I'm not allowed to exist. I must become absent. I can only exist as a thought. I can only exist as a comparative reality. I can only exist as a concept. I can only exist as how you allow me to exist, as an idea, but I cannot actually exist. So could it be, if I say this, it appears that it is dangerous for one to actually exist, because then you are for real. And whenever you are, you can be attacked. You feel unsafe. And maybe we chose to be unconscious in order to be safe. And I think that safety has to be given up. So if you grasp Master rightly, you're going to undertake the effort to struggle to come to be. To establish I am here, I'm a living, existing being. And I have a life to live out. I have a creation to participate with. I have something I offer. And that should be my effort, my exhaustion. So if, like all of you, if you look at it very carefully, could you grasp the truth that the absence of me is my personal calamity? I am not. I have become absent, I'm not there. I'm just an idea, a thought, a mind. And the day you are willing to embrace that, the day you wake up to that truth, you have discovered meditation. Not as eyes closed, as a posture sitting, that's just nonsense. As a living commitment to be present, to be here, to exist. To be a truth living, not an idea. And something miraculous happens, when you are, love is. When you are not, love is not.